Good morning and welcome to the show. Today's topic should be interesting to anyone who's ever had to deal with the screaming and frustrated toddler. Most children start to speak somewhere around the age of 2, but they often want to communicate well before that. So, some parents are trying a new way to help the small children communicate earlier using sign language. I'm watching a baby sign language class at Parents Corner in Lower Manhattan, and I'm talking to Joan Lee, who's the director of the program. Joan, good morning. Good morning. So these babies are learning sign language? Well, we're not exactly teaching the babies. We're teaching the parents some basic signs that they can use with their babies. What kind of signs are you teaching them? Well, we start with signs for the most important things in babies' lives. Signs for things like more, milk, up, that kind of things. The things babies need to say. Yes, exactly. Where did the signs come from? Did you make them up? Oh no, most of the signs are taken from ASL, American Sign Language. How old are the babies? The youngest is 4 months and the oldest is about 18 months. That's incredible. Now, what are the advantages of doing this? Well, mainly it's much easier for the parents and actually for babies too if they can communicate. You can figure out what they want. It's very frustrating when your child is screaming his head off and you don't know what he wants. I see. Where did this idea come from? From watching deaf children. Some years ago, researchers noticed that deaf children learn to use hand signals earlier, much earlier than hearing children learn to speak. So they wondered if all children could use hand signals before using words, and it seems that they can. Now, that raises another question now. How do children move into speaking from this? Isn't there a danger that they get so good in sign language that they don't speak? No, actually, the opposite seems to be true. Signing using hand signals may actually help children develop language earlier. That's interesting. There's also some evidence that it raises children's intelligence. There was one test done where a baby that sign scores 12 points higher in an IQ test than babies that didn't. That's fascinating. If you would like to find out some more information about using sign language with babies, log on to our website at